Hi everyone, Kim here for Ciao Bella Kit Club. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. Today we have got our kit reveals. If you don't know, Ciao Bella is a monthly kit club and laser cut chipboard company. And each month we bring you 3 kits, a scrapbook kit, a cards, tags, and more kit, and a mixed media kit. And here we are today to reveal the April kits. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into these kits. But before we do, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Hit the link down below and turn your notification bells on to all, so that way you'll be notified every time we upload a video that we create using our kits. So let's get into the kit. All right, first up we have our scrapbook kit. And our scrapbook kit retails for $52. That does include shipping, and that's U.S. shipping only. If you are international and are interested in our kits, please just email us and we can try and give you a shipping quote. So for April, we've got some fun nature things here. First off, we're going to start with our chipboard. Our chipboard is cut in-house. And first you're going to get 2 of our distress fences. And these are brand new. They're in the kit right now, but by the time you're seeing this, they should also be on the website. And our next piece is another piece created by us, and it is a layered butterfly wreath. So you're going to get 2 pieces. The bottom piece is kind of the outline, and then the top piece has all the details on it, and you can layer them on top of each other. That's how they go. And how fun are these going to be to decorate and embellish? Next up, we've got some flowers. We've got a pack of 49 and Market Enchanted Petals, and these are in the color mint. And then we've got some Prima flowers. These are 12 pieces, and we don't have a name for them, but they're perfect for this kit. And then that little pop of yellow gives it a nice little pop of color here. You've got 3 doilies in your kit. You're also going to have 2 sheets of pre-cut ephemera. All you have to do is just punch it out, but you're going to get this full sheet, and then you're going to get this full sheet. Now you see why I said the white flowers were perfect, because the white flowers in the kit. You're also going to get these other sheets of ephemera, and if you aren't familiar with 3/4 designs, they're Australian, and they're in New Zealand, and they like to include all the ephemera in with the kit, and you just cut out some of it, and some of it is pre-punched. So you're going to get this sheet. Now this is single-sided, but these have got tags on it, and you got these. And then you're going to get some of these little sentiment cards and some more frames and more flowers and just some more ephemera. And then you're also going to get these sheets that coordinate with the paper as well, and these are also single-sided, and you can cut the strip off, and I like to use these as mats behind my photos. But these all coordinate perfectly with the papers in the kit. And you're going to get 6 sheets of these. The last 2 sheets, you're going to have some more ephemera. You're going to have some leaves and some more outdoorsy nature kind of pieces. That's why I said this kit is full of nature. Now let's get to the papers. This is a Sage collection by 3/4 Designs, and this is your top sheet, but they also always give you a nice little design on the back sheet. You just have to cut a little strip off so it'll be the same size as your 12 by 12. But yes, they like to do that, and I like that. These papers are double-sided, and they're a little shiny. They're a little slick. And here's the back side. I'm loving the graphics on these and the flowers. They kind of give me Easter vibes as well as nature vibes. These also be good for garden photos, but just really, really pretty. And I like that one side you get the graphics, and then on the other side it's fairly simple. Oops. That's my little sign there that I keep up when I'm crafting. Done is better than perfect. Just to remind me, sometimes get it done. It doesn't have to be perfect, but get it done. And it's another back sheet. But these pictures are so, papers are so pretty. Look at the back side of that. Just beautiful papers. And now you see how those sheets coordinate really well with these papers. And then if you haven't noticed, on the bottom they give you a strip, and it's always got some sayings on it, so you can use these as part of your layout. And this is your back sheet, but again, they gave you another sheet with design. And then the back sheet, I love that they give you 6 different sketches that you can create with the papers from this kit. And sometimes I like to take one of these sketches and I'll create a video and we'll recreate the sketch, but then we'll step it up a little bit with things from our supplies. So I may get that done this month as well for you too. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you'll be notified when a video is uploaded if I get that video done for you. If not, there'll be another video. We'll see if we can squeeze 2 in for April. It's not too busy of a month. So this has been our scrapbook kit, and like I said, this kit retails for $52. That does include your shipping in US. Head over to the website at www.treasurelikits.com and see what's left over. These kits are limited, so the best thing you can do is go over and subscribe. That way you won't miss out on a kit. Next up, we're going to have our cards, tags, and more kit. Okay, so we've got our cards, tags, and more kit. This kit is for those people that like small projects. We call it cards, tags, and more because you never know what you're going to get in it. You may get something for cards, you may get something for tags, you may get a mini album. This kit retails for $42. And again, that does include your shipping. So let's go ahead and get into it. First up, we're going to get this pack of Prima flowers. And then you're going to get this pack of luxury shaped card blanks, and these are art gatefold. So you're going to get 5 of the cards and 5 of the envelopes. Next up, you're going to get this pack of, I always forget what they call this, but it's foil and they're corners. So you're actually going to get 8 of them, well, for a set of 4. For 2 for each, and you just clip those apart and you can use them. You're also going to get some more of our hand cut chipboard. First up, you're going to get a set of dragonflies. Let me hold those like that so you can see that you get 2 dragonflies. And you're also going to get these arches, and I'm going to show you a trick with these arches in a minute. You're also going to get this 6x6 sheet of paper that has all these cutouts on them, and this is double-sided. And this is by Ciao Bella. It's one of their newest lines. How nice are these? I think the designs are just amazing. They're so bright and colorful. And they're a bit vintagey as well. But I just think this is so, so stunning. And if you like fussy cutting, these are made just for you. I hate fussy cutting, so I'm going to be cutting mine out using my silhouette. And you're also going to get this creative pad in A4 size. And Artemis is the name of the collection. And with just like other companies, Ciao Bella, on your front sheet, they're giving you some more graphics to work with. And let's go through the paper. It says double-sided, so you got graphics on one side. But remember I said I wanted to show you a little something with the chipboard. These were made to fit over some of these designs. So if you want to put a design behind it, it will fit. You have to trim it off some, but it will fit. And that goes for all the images. This is the front, and this is the back. These squares. Here's your back sheet. These colors are kind of dark, but they still kind of remind me of spring. I guess it's the images on them. And your last two sheets look like this. So you've got this, and then you've got this. So this has been our cards, tags, and more kit. And like I said, this kit retails for $42. And again, check out the website at www.treasurekits.com to see what's available. And again, if you don't want to miss out, make sure that you go ahead over there and subscribe to the kit. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. All right, so our mixed media kit, it is a kit that we always put mediums in so you can create mixed media projects, but we also include a little project in there to get you started as well too. This is a standalone kit. You don't need any of our other kits to get the mixed media kit. If you're all about mixed media, then this is probably the kit for you. We try different mediums and we help you build up your stash. And we try and do it on a smaller scale. That way you're not stuck with something that you don't like, but then if you do like it, you can go ahead and order the larger one. But the other thing about us doing it on a smaller scale is that stuff doesn't dry out. You get to use it before it goes bad. So our mixed media kit for the month, let's start with the mediums. We are going in with the new Tim Holtz Distress Sprays, and we've got 4 for you. We've got seedless preserves, antique linen, cracked pistachio, and crushed olive. The good thing about these colors is too, they coordinate with the other kits as well. We've also got a stencil for you. How pretty is that? We've also got a couple of pieces of lace, like lace doilies. And then you're going to get this 8x8 canvas as well too. So this is the mixed media kit. Like I said, it retails for $47. Check out the website, www.treasurekits.com. While you're over there, go ahead and subscribe to a kit. You can subscribe to any combination of kits, all of them, or mix it up to pick out your favorites. But make sure you subscribe. And if you're not subscribed to our newsletter, you may want to subscribe to that as well too. First time you subscribe, you will get a coupon code for a discount on the website. And then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video as well, so you'll be notified every time we upload a video. But thank you for joining me. This is Kim for Treasure Kit Club. We'll see you at our next video. Bye.